Today I'm headed to IKEA and I thought I'd share some of my favorite products with you. This roll of paper is a great thing to have in any home or office. It's great for scrap paper, wrapping paper, or just doodling. The Valentina is one of my favorite new products. This is shown in the sofa configuration. That is the ottoman, but it is a sleeper. Even the ottoman's a sleeper, and I'll show you. You simply pull out the base and flip the top cushion. You can use this as a queen or you can use it as a single. These Kallax units are some of my favorite storage pieces on the market. They come in so many configurations, they have really cute inserts, and they're very flexible and will fit in such a variety of spaces. I especially like the drawer inserts. They open really nicely and you can replace the handle to give it a more customized look. I also love these wire basket inserts. They're gold and add a little fancy touch to the Kallax unit. If you don't have a lot of money, the Billy bookcases are such a great option for built-ins. There are a million different hacks out there using these bookcases. I especially love this blue one. These drawer inserts, they come in a variety of sizes and shapes, and they're really high quality. This product I cannot live without. It is a plate organizer, but I actually use it to organize my pot lids. This basket is one of my favorites, just for the design itself. I use it to hold my laundry detergent. It's a great thing to keep under the sink. Pro tip, always test out the cart before you commit, because some of these carts are total lemons. These are my all-time favorite water juice drinking glasses, and they're 99 cents. Please, for the love of God, everyone, stop using paper towels. Get some of these dish towels. I always buy them when I'm here. $3.99 for a 4-pack. Although there is some debate. A lot of people prefer these ones, and they're 79 cents each. I recently purchased a bunch of these for food storage, for my lentils, my beans, my grains, and I'm really loving them so far. We use a Brita for our water, and then I like to move the filtered water into these. The lid goes on and off really easily, and then you can put the pitcher itself without the lid on a dinner table, and it looks really nice. You cannot beat the price of the IKEA pillow inserts for decorative pillows. If you're looking for an inexpensive white curtain, look no further. These are the Ritva. They have a really nice texture and a nice weight. And what I like about them is they are not on grommets. These Vilborg curtains are an all-time favorite of mine. I like the texture. They're really pretty gray, and they're blackout. Do you ever wonder how people get those really nice French pleats and curtains? Well, some IKEA curtains come with this attached to the back of the curtain already, but if they don't, you have to sew this on, and then you use these things that go in between the little holes in there to make French pleats. I recently just purchased some of these boxes, and I love them because they're so versatile. And one of the best features is they all come with a lid. You cannot go wrong with IKEA picture frames. They're so inexpensive. I like the birch a lot and black, but they have a ton of options. This watering can is another favorite. I prefer the white. It comes in pink, white, and gray, but it's sold out. Lastly, one of the things I can't leave without is a new feather duster. This pro tip goes without saying. Always park at the exit.